Yes, students, today we start about the sexual reproduction in human beings. So first of all, I want to tell you about the adolescent. All of us know that our body change as we become old. Change become faster mostly when we meet the age of adolescent, that is known as 13 to 19. The age of teenage, it is also called changes in human body during growth. These changes are increase in height and weight. Some of these changes are common to both boys and girls. Increase in height and weight, growth of pubic hair, growth of oil glands in the face, and self-consciousness of our bodies. Self-consciousness of our bodies. All of these change take place slowly over a period of months and year. तो ये चेंज होने में टाइम लगता है. कईयों की हाइट होती है जो कि 10 to 12 ईयर में काफी इंक्रीज हो जाती है अप टू 13 ईयर तक, और कईयों की 14 ईयर 15 ईयर के अप टू 18 ईयर तक ये हाइट इंक्रीज होती रहती है. बट सम ऑफ द चेंजेस आर स्पेसिफिक to development of the breast in girls. Menstruation begins in the girls, facial hair in boys, voice began to crack in boys, occasionally enlargement and erection of the penis in the boys. Also, these are the some characteristics of the adolescent age. All these changes show difference between the people. Some have a long height and some have a small height, some have the medium height also. All of these changes are aspects of the sexual maturation of the body. तो ये सब बॉडी के मैच्योरेशन. Thus the rate of generate body growth begins to slow down and reproductive tissue begins to mature. Human being develop germ cells. In human being there are two types of the cells are present. One is of gametic cell and another is of somatic cell. Gametic cell are also called reproductive cell. Here I want to recall you the one point here. There are the two types of the reproduction that you have learned in the 9th class. That is the mitosis and meiosis. In somatic cell, there is a mitosis, reproduction takes place in which one cell is divided into two cells and the chromosome number remains the same. But in the animal reproductive cell, there is a meiosis cell division takes place in which the reduce the chromosome number takes place and in which one cell is formed to four daughter cells. Here the cells are also called the diploid and haploid. The cells in which two set of chromosomes are present are known as diploid cells, and the cells in which one set of chromosome is present in haploid cells. And in reproductive cells, you see meiotic cell division takes place. The rate of generate body growth begins to slow down, reproductive tissue begins to mature. After that, puberty during adolescence age. Adolescence age के अंदर बड़ी puberty, the period of life when body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called puberty. The period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called puberty. Boys and girls become capable of reproduction, that is known as puberty. Release of the hormones by the endocrine. मेल सेक्स हार्मोन जिस टेस्टोस्टेरोन, ये दोनों नाम आप नोट कर लीजिए, इन पे 1 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन आता है. नेम द मेल हार्मोन एंड द फीमेल हार्मोन. मेल sex hormones are the testosterone and female sex hormones are the estrogen, progesterone and relaxing. Estrogen and progesterone are the female hormone that is released by the ovary, and male sex hormone testosterone that is released by the testes. तो ये दो हार्मोन के नाम भी आपने अच्छी तरह. चेंजेस इन ह्यूमन, हियर यू कैन राइट द, here the changes may takes place in the body growth and puberty during adolescence. These are the, let's today we have to discuss about change in the human body during growth and puberty during the adolescent age. Then the puberty during the adolescent age. Read NCERT पेज नंबर 135 to 137. इस टॉपिक को अंडरस्टैंड करने के बाद आप लोग एनसीईआरटी का पेज नंबर 135 to 137 रीड करेंगे अच्छे से. इसमें जो भी आपकी प्रॉब्लम होगी वो आप ले सकते हैं इंक्वायरी. So reproduction is essential for continuity of the species. Reproduction is essential for continuity of the species. Reproduction is linked to the stability of the population of a species. Reproduction से क्या होता है, population stable होती है. अगर reproduction नहीं होगा तो life ultimately all the organism die and the extinction of the life may takes place. So reproduction is important for continuity of the life. Sexual reproduction brings variation. Variation is, you may define it, a process in which difference is shown by the parents to the offspring. The reproduction shown by the parents to the offspring is called variation. Reproduction. In sexual reproduction, there are the two parents are involved and the organisms formed here is called offspring. Here you may write what is difference between clone and the offspring. यहाँ पे आप एक क्वेश्चन ये भी लिख सकते हो कि क्लोन और ऑफस्प्रिंग में क्या डिफरेंस है. क्लोन्स आर मॉर्फोलॉजिकली एंड जेनेटिकली सिमिलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स. It is the asexual mode of reproduction. Clones are the morphologically and genetically similar organisms, and these are the types of asexual mode of reproduction produced by asexual mode of reproduction. And in offspring are produced by the reproduction of them. They are not morphologically and genetically similar. Offspring are not morphologically and genetically similar. They are produced by sexual mode of reproduction. It is a type of reproduction in which a male gamete fuses the female gamete to produce zygote, which develop to form new individual. That is the process known as fertilization. That the process is known as fertilization. The process, it is also known as. After that, you can, from your NCERT book, you have to make the diagram of male reproductive system and female reproductive system. And these systems you can do yourself. And after that, you have to do what are the contraceptive method. यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन और आपने करना है, contraceptive methods. That is the, what are the methods of the contraceptive methods are the methods which prevent the unnecessary pregnancy of the. Here you can also do the one question, what is menstruation cycle? Why does it occur? What is menstruation cycle? The cyclic changes takes place in the 1 month of a female, is known as the menstrual cycles. And when the egg is not fertilized, when the egg is not fertilized, then when the egg is not fertilized, then the menstruation takes place. This is about this chapter, that is the mode of reproduction. And now you can see some other slides also. Testes are the site of testosterone reproduction. Testosterone brings about changes in appearance seen in boys at the time of puberty. Puberty के लिए कौन सा हार्मोन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, तो आप कहेंगे टेस्टोस्टेरोन. यहाँ पे ऐसे करके क्वेश्चन आएगा और इसमें ये ब्रेन से भी रिलेटेड होता है. और इससे जो टेस्टोस्टेरोन के हार्मोन है वो क्या है, फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन एंड ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन एटसेट्रा. ल्यूटिनाइजिंग हार्मोन्स and the follicle stimulating hormones. So now you can understand the structure of the sperm also. You can make the diagrams of the sperm. So you can read the NCERT book also. You can make the diagram of the sperm also. It has a long tail that helps them to move toward the female germ cell. Human sperm cell is haploid so that it is 23. Human sperm के अंदर कितने क्रोमोसोम होते हैं? 23 क्रोमोसोम होते हैं, नॉट 23 पेयर. ये ध्यान रहे. और ओवन में भी 23 होते हैं. इसका मेन पार्ट है, that is the nucleus, head part, then mitochondria contained in the neck, and after that the tail is present in this. After that you can recall it, testes are the site for spermiation. टेस्टिज वो साइट है जहां पे स्पर्म बनते हैं. टेस्टिज आर द साइट फॉर टेस्टोस्टेरोन. इसमें हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस होता है टेस्टोस्टेरोन. वासा डिफरेंशिया कनेक्ट्स विद द यूरेथ्रा. प्रोस्टेट एंड सेमिनल वेसिकल ग्लैंड्स क्रीड एल्कलाइन फ्लूइड सीमन. स्पर्म कंसिस्ट ऑफ द जेनेटिक मटेरियल. तो ये आज आपका टॉपिक रहेगा, स्पर्म contain the reproduction. And that you can also note down these topics also.